Look like they could be earrings.
Okay, so most of the ornaments are on. We did all the hanging ones. They're really, really pretty. I love that chandelier one.
Okay, I'm starting with 5.
Pine cones. Okay, so now we're adding on the little picks. Those ones are really pretty. So go ahead and place them where you want. Okay, I feel like you couldn't tell how pretty they were in the packaging, but they're so beautiful and so sparkly. They have like sequins kind of at the top. They look like snow and they give the tree like a whimsical kind of fairy look. Okay, so now we're moving on to these really pretty copper rose gold. I think they were called like a fern, actually. Those are so pretty. And the final little picks are these silver champagne branches with these little rose gold berries on them.